Indonesia, a country made up of thousands of islands, has a wide variety of food, just like its many landscapes. From the spicy curries of Sumatra to the flavorful dishes of Maluku, every region has its own special food adventure. Sundanese and Javanese foods are two of the most popular, and people love their different tastes and long-standing traditions. Sundanese food from West Java is known for its fresh flavors and lots of herbs and vegetables. Javanese food from Central and East Java is known for its more complex flavors and fancy cooking styles. Even though they're geographically close, these two types of cooking are very different, showing the many cultural stories that have shaped Indonesian food. Sundanese food is often called fresh and simple, focusing on natural tastes. It uses a lot of fresh ingredients from West Java's rich soil. Javanese food, on the other hand, is more complex. It uses spice pastes, fermented ingredients, and special cooking methods to make dishes with deeper, richer flavors. The different tastes show the different cultures of the two regions. Sundanese food, with its simple flavors, reflects the down-to-earth people. Javanese food, with its complex flavors, reflects the fancier traditions of the region. How food is served and eaten is a big part of both Sundanese and Javanese traditions. Sundanese food is known for lisahan, where you eat on a mat on the floor. This makes eating a group activity. Dishes are often served on a big plate, with rice in the middle and colorful side dishes around it. Javanese food, especially for special occasions, is more formal. Dishes are served in a certain order, rice is separate, and there are rules about how you eat. These different serving styles show how important food is to both cultures. From the land to your plate, the geography of taste. Where West Java and Central East Java are located makes a big difference in the ingredients used in Sundanese and Javanese cooking. Sundanese food uses lots of fresh vegetables, herbs like galangal and turmeric, and freshwater fish because the area has a lot of rain and rich soil. Javanese food also uses fresh ingredients, but it adds coconut milk, palm sugar, and spices like cloves and coriander, because it's closer to the coast and was part of the spice trade. You can see these geographical differences in the special flavors and textures of each type of food. More than just a meal, food for the body and soul. In both Sundanese and Javanese cultures, food is more than just something to eat. It's important for the mind and spirit too. Sundanese people believe food affects how you feel. The idea of kasimbangan rasa is about balancing sweet, sour, salty, spicy, and savory flavors to stay healthy in body and mind. Javanese cooking also connects food and health. Some ingredients are thought to have special powers, and traditional medicine often uses food to help people get better. Famous foods, a taste of Sundanese and Javanese heritage. Both Sundanese and Javanese cooking have special dishes that show their unique flavors and traditions. In Sundanese cooking, nasi timbel, which is steamed rice wrapped in a banana leaf, is served with fried chicken, tofu, tempeh, and sambal. It's a favorite. Sayur asam, a light vegetable soup with tamarind, is also popular. Javanese cooking is known for gulai kambing, a flavorful goat curry, and rendang, a slow-cooked beef dish that's one of Indonesia's national treasures. These famous dishes are not only tasty, but also tell stories about culture and cooking skills. Two delicious styles, celebrating culinary diversity. Sundanese and Javanese foods, while different in taste, presentation, and meaning, are two parts of the same whole. They show how diverse Indonesian food is, thanks to the country's long history, many cultures, and rich land. Trying these two types of food is a great adventure, giving you a look into the heart of Indonesian culture through its many delicious flavors.